So this morning's weather was ideal. It was cloudy. There was a stiff breeze out of the southeast. I went 6 hours. I did not see a single fish. The fish I did end up with this morning, I got lucky. I got very fortunate. I kept it hooked. I was not paying attention. I was zoned out. It happens. Don't care what anyone says. You go so long, you space out. Like I said, I was just fortunate enough to land the fish. Totally blindsided me in the figure eight. I never saw it. Whether I was even paying close enough attention to see it, I couldn't tell you. One thing, when the weather did change, it changed to sunny blue skies, and I ended up putting on one of my favorite colors when it comes to, well, you can see that when it comes to sunny blue, flat, calm days. If I'm using blades, I really like to go purple and gold. A lot of people like black and nickel, black and black, and those colors are great. Especially in clear water, I seem to have a lot of luck with purple and gold. But again, with the whole not paying attention, it's gonna happen to you. Just learn from your mistakes. Don't beat yourself up. Learn from it. It's frustrating when you go 6, 9, 10 hours not seeing a fish, and then that split second at the boat, there's your opportunity and you missed it. That's going to happen. If you are in the sport, there's no getting out of that. That is going to happen to you more than once. You just keep learning from your mistakes and hope for the best. There's not one perfect angler out there. It happens to the best of us. So not much you can really do about it other than, bite your tongue and keep casting and hope you don't do it on the next fish. This fish blindsided me in the 8. I was not paying attention. I was lucky enough to still hook this fish. But I am going to get her back right away. 36, 37 inch fish on the purple and gold.